Here's how to have a conversation on what you'd like or not like to do in Igbo using three simple structures. Number one, aga m achọ dash. I would like dash. Aga m achọ ịhụ gị. I would like to see you. Aga m achọ iso gị. I would like to follow you. Aga m achọ ịlụ gị. I would like to marry you. 2. Ị ga-achọ dash. Will you like dash? Ị ga-achọ ịhụ m? Will you like to see me? Ị ga-achọ iso m? Would you like to follow me? Ị ga-achọ ịlụ m? Will you like to marry me? And our final phrase is, gịnị ka ị ga-achọ ime? What would you like to do? Gịnị ka ị ga-achọ ime? And to answer this, we'll come back to number one. Aga m achọ ịhụ gị, iso gị, ịlụ gị. Quick question. If someone said to you, ị ga-achọ ịlụ m, how would you say, no, I will not like to marry you? Leave in a comment. As always, come back tomorrow for more.